Welcome back. A new breed of crooks has become functional in the state. They pose as policemen, target women and flee with gold ornaments in broad daylight. Goa police have said that they will nab the culprits soon and have advised the people to beware of such crooks.
A victim lady, namely Rohini, has lodged a complaint with Vasco police that on Friday, two accused persons posing as policemen induced her to remove the gold ornaments on the pretext of safety. When she removed her gold ornaments such as chain, two bangles, they fled away with her jewellery worth 1.5 lakhs. Similar incident happened in Margaon. A victim lady was about to take a bus. Two crooks posing as policemen advised her to remove her gold ornaments on pretext of safety. She removed her jewellery worth 2 lakhs and kept in her bag. Crooks stole the jewellery and left the place. A senior officer of Goa police told Prudent that they are collecting all the leads related with such crimes. He also hoped that the cases will be cracked soon. Goa police will soon issue an advisory in this regard. Meanwhile, they have advised people to be aware of such crooks. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
The All India Football Federation has fallen way short of being a professional body to run the sport in the country. The latest chapter in the pathetic track record of the AIFF is the non-payment of prize money to last season's I-League champions Churchill Brothers. The Varka-based club has now been pulled up by the AIFF for not paying salaries to a couple of their players. Obviously facing a cash crunch, Churchill Brothers patron Churchill Alemao has slammed AIFF for holding back the club's 80 lakh rupees.
Churchill Brothers celebrated the I-League triumph in the 2012-13 season, becoming the champion club of India. But the depressing reality of Indian club football did not take long to set in. The AIFF has failed to pay the champions till date.
AIFF oil footing. Temi maka 80 lakhs dipa जाय 80 lakhs 7 वर्सां पयशे दिवपा जाय AIFF 7 वर्सांचे आमकां 30 लाख दिवपा जाय मागीर तेमी आमगेलो बोनस दिवपा जाय प्लस आमगेलो आतां जिखलोले पयशे दिवपा जाय 80 lakhs आमकां AIFF दिवपा जाय पयशे दिवपा जाय आमी प्लस आमकां गेल्ले पावटी एक हे येयल्लो स्पॉन्सर येयल्लो NVD म्हणून तेमी आमकां एग्रीमेंट केलो 3 वर्सांचो तेमी 6 crore आमकां एवरी मंथ एवरी इयर दिवपा गेल्ले तेणे आमकां 1 crore 10 lakhs पावयल्या.
Alemao criticized Stephen Dias for indiscipline but admitted that he has to pay the winger a total of 4 lakh rupees.
Stephen Mutto last quality player. You have no quality. And तेणे चड डिमांड केली तेन्ना आनी आमगेले सगळ्यांनी आमकां आमगे मॅनेजमेंटान सांगलें घेनाक म्हणटा हांवें घेतलो 2000 सायन मारले तेणें तेका लागून एक वर्साक 17 लाख एक्स्ट्रा आमगे पावले एक एक्स्ट्रा पयल्या वर्साक आमचो आपणें काडलो ना आनी त्या वर्सा तेका तेणें एटिट्यूड एकदम बॅड दाखयलो आमकां हितून एटिट्यूड बॅड दाखयलो तो हेणा जालो आनी तेका पगार एकदम सुबेज सारकें सगळ्यांक हायस्ट प्लेयर तो हेणा जालो मागीर हेडोंक घाल जाल्यार काड जाल्यार बाटली बी शेडोमा जालो आनी तेगेले पयशे आमी सगळे हार गेले फकत 4 लाख उरले तेगे 4 लाख.
The former minister also admitted that goalkeeper Sandeep Nandi is due to be paid 2.5 lakh rupees.
दुसरो म्हणटा नांदी गेले 2.5 लाख उरले आहा.
Alemao says the club will pay the players when the AIFF releases the due amount to the club.
काल मीटिंग कितें जाली
म्हणजे काय ना म्हणजे काय ना कोणे बुडा आयो आमरा देता आमरा हारी करून म्हाका काय सांगितलं ना आमी सांगितलें कितें कितें तें दिसलें तेंनी आमी हे वार सांगला तुमी धाडा न्हू पयशे तें पयलीं धाडपा जाय न्हू पयशे तें धाड म्हणून मागीर दिले तेंगे पयशे
सो इनडिसिप्लिन आनी हेका लागून दवरलें
तेगेले वय आनी AIFF पयशे धाडपा जाय आमगेले आमी 80 लाख धाडपा जाय पयलीं तेमी तेम धाडले आमचे हालत ताई.
With bureau inputs, a reporter from Varka, Samir Bhatt.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.